Hi all, this is Sampath. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In the today video tutorial, I'm going to show how to determine a source of supply in a purchase requisition through outline agreement or contract. Okay, without any further ado, let's get started. To create a contract, enter the transaction code ME31K. In the command area, I'm going to enter /n ME31K. Now press enter key. Here enter the vendor master. Vendor master, I'm going to enter 1000 vendor master. Here we have multiple agreement type. In this case, I'm going to use contract type is MK, quantity contract. Enter the MK here or press F4 key. Select the quantity contract. Now enter the purchase organization. Purchase organization, I'm going to enter 1000. Purchase group, I'm going to enter 001. Now press enter key. Enter the validity date. Press enter key. Here enter the material master. Material master, I'm going to enter this one. Quantity, I'm going to enter 1000. Now enter the plant. Plant, I'm going to enter 1000. Storage location is raw 1. Now press enter key. Enter the net price. Net price, I'm going to enter 10 euro. Press enter key. Yes. Now I'm going to save the contract. Click on save button. Yes, I saved the contract. Now I'm going to create purchase requisition. To create purchase requisition, enter transaction code ME51N. Select the source determination checkbox. Enter the material. Enter the quantity. Quantity, I'm going to enter 50 quantity. Enter plant. Here, which plant I entered in the contract, I need to use the same plant. Okay. Enter the storage location, raw 1. Enter the purchase group 001. Now press enter key. Yes, now system automatically determined the agreement. In case of multiple agreements, how system behaves, I am going to create one more contract with another vendor. Let us see how it works. Enter /n ME31K. Now press enter key. I am going to use vendor 1001. Rest data is same. Now press enter key. Enter validity date. Press enter key. Press the spacebar key. It shows the recently used data. Select from that list. Enter the quantity, some 1500. Enter the net price. Net price, I'm going to enter 12 euro. Enter the plant. Enter the storage location. Press enter key. Now save the contract. Now I'm going to create purchase requisition again. Enter /n ME51N. Press enter key. Select the source determination checkbox. Enter the material. Enter the quantity. Quantity, I'm going to enter 75. Enter the plant 1000. Storage location or AW1. Purchase group is 001. Now press enter key. Yes, system determined the multiple contracts. In this case, I need to select the required source of supply. Now click on assigned source. Yes, SAP determined the source of supply in purchase requisition. That's it today video tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.